The layout for drafting a job description is similar to that of a resume. You can create a job description from scratch, though this is not highly recommended. Alternatively, you can paste your job description or upload it in .pdf or docx format. To start, select Create Job Description Draft, open the template, and edit it. With just one click, the comprehensive template will be displayed. Let's have a look at the job description template. Before proceeding, it's essential to visit job search websites, such as the company's official site, LinkedIn, or Indeed, to look for real-time job openings. Being proactive in your job search can give you an advantage in securing a position. If you're uncertain about which company or industry to pursue, refer back to the employment market section to research relevant industries and companies. For example, if you want to apply for a position at Tesla, search for keywords like Tesla careers, Tesla jobs, or Tesla open positions to find reliable listings. If you already have a specific job title in mind, simply search for that. In the previous section, we explored AI-related jobs at Tesla, so let's search for Tesla careers, click on it, and look for available positions. The Tesla website is generally user-friendly, but some companies may require more effort to locate their open positions. Use the filters to narrow down results, such as selecting the US, and then click on a position that interests you. It's advisable to review each position thoroughly to find one that suits your qualifications. If you're interested in this specific role, copy all relevant information from the job listing to your clipboard, open and paste the job description section, and paste the details before generating it. Here are some tips. Many people only review job descriptions when actively searching for a job, but it's beneficial to continuously explore job descriptions from top-tier companies in your industry, whether you're seeking new opportunities or not. The job descriptions from these leading companies not only set a standard for the industry, but also provide insights into trends and future developments. Stay at the forefront of innovation. Once the processing is complete, timing will depend on the amount of information you pasted. You can edit or rename the generated description as needed. Be sure to compare the generated version with the original and fill in any missing details based on your observations. Here are the key points from a job description that a job seeker should focus on. Job title, key responsibilities, required qualifications, preferred qualifications, company values and culture, salary range and benefits, working location, application process, career advancement opportunities, team structure, and so on. Furthermore, if you already have a job description in docx or .pdf format, you can upload it from your computer. Please note that we only support docx and .pdf formats for uploading.